Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 of the Upper Shuswap River run here. We're at the top end of the river as far as we can go due to log jam, and I'm just heading up this little channel here just to see where it goes. Never been up here before. Somewhere up ahead here I did see where an animal had crossed because the mud was all stirred up. I remember saying it in the video, but I never looked to see if I could see it. I don't think I could see it due to the shade on the river. But now that I've gone past, it's probably already gone. Disrupted by the mud. I was just telling Jeff that, but couldn't see it. It's probably in the shaded spot where the tree's shading it. Can't see it on the video. But yeah, the water on this day was really high. It was actually really good. So now we're going to start heading back down. Beautiful day today. Like I said in the last video, it was like 35 degrees today. Didn't burn when we left, so you can see my shoulders burnt. Just playing around waiting for Jeff here. Alright, so I now have Jeff's granddaughter Lacey in the boat with me, and she's holding the 10-foot selfie pole. Poor girl, that selfie pole's pretty heavy to hold with a camera on the end, but she did a great job. Just a little different view here for you viewers. Now the top end of this river is just nice and calm and windy like this. It's just so peaceful up there. Orange Crush sure is orange. This top part, there's just some skinny stuff that you can play in, cutting the corners and stuff. In and out of the logs, spraying the tree, giving the tree some water. I'm quite impressed how that Strela goes as well. Goes really good. Solar makes a fine boat. You can really tell in the Strela. I almost think the Strela will turn sharper than mine because it digs in with that. It's got more of a keel on it, and you can feel it. It's actually fun. So whether you get the Superjet tunnel or the Strela, you're going to be happy. The biggest difference I find is the interior room. More interior room in the Superjet, as the Strela is narrower inside the cockpit. Noticeably different. or should I say noticeably smaller inside the Strela. Now it looks like we're just moving like crazy here. With that camera angle, looks like we're going really fast. See how I slide to a stop? The Strela will really dig in and turn real sharp. Okay, here we are at the bridge. The bridge is basically the gateway from the calm water to the rough water. We just entered the rough water. Coming up here, I absolutely get drenched. I had so much water in the boat that when I turned around, it was almost going over the transom. That's where the bilge pump really comes in handy. I do come off step quite a bit. It just beats you to death, the waves going down. Even with the comfy seat. Okay, here we go here. I'm gonna hit this wave just right. Right here. Up and down. Oof. Now to say that was refreshing. See me turning on the bilge pump. You can see all the water in the boat. This would be a fun river to hit at peak height too. Not sure when that would be, but this was May 28th. Might even be now. Well, on this day, I don't know. You just don't know. And it's different every year. You look at my one paddle there, you can see, or it did, I think I put it on already, but it had come off its little holder. I tie a little 550 cord to the rope inside the boat and run it over. You can see it on the left one there. That helps keep the paddle in. When it's colder out, those holders work well, but once it gets warm, it gets soft. It gets soft and it gets so hot that the paddles just fall out. So by tying them when they fall out, they'll just hang there, and at least they're not bouncing in the water. And I can concentrate on driving still. See, I could have stayed to the right here and stayed out of the waves, but shut off the bilge pump. I could hear it gurgling. Means it's not sucking water out anymore. So it gets the boat fairly empty. There's still a little bit left in there, but I don't have to stop and pump it, and I haven't had to use my hand pump yet this year. Lots of shallow stuff on this river if you want to play in it. But I like going through the waves. Just not super fast because beats you up pretty good. As long as it's deep enough. If it's not deep enough, you got to stay on step or you're gonna smack your motor as you go down. Ask me how I know. Haven't seen any moose this year up in this area. I've actually been up twice now. Lots of moose tracks. But no moose, just moose and deer and some really good worn-in trails too. Crossing the river. Got some speed going here now. Staying in the smoother water. Cut the corner sharp there instead of taking it wide. It's pretty good. I hit 47 kilometers an hour there. That's probably the fastest I've gone on this river. When you think about the speed, it doesn't seem that fast, but when you're in a boat, in the current, you see my paddle game undone. It's actually pretty fast. Slowing down for the bumps. Look at both paddles came off. I think it's more fun going through the real big waves nice and slow. It's almost like you're in a rafting. Essentially I am, but a powered one. If you can time it right and hit the waves right, you just skip over top of them, but when you're on step, and if you don't, it pounds you good. This is the most water I've seen in this river. Usually there's lots of rocks showing. I'm almost gonna have to say I think May is the best time of the year to be jet boating, in my opinion. Turn that pump back on because I took on water again. And I took some more in. Keeps the boat clean. See Jeff's bouncing up and down there too. The kids really enjoy being out in the jet boats. Shallow stuff. Not crazy shallow. This is pretty shallow in places. You can tell because the motor makes a different noise and the front end dives a little bit on my boat. Here I am with my great driving. I hit this big root ball right there. See it? It doesn't look like I hit it, but I actually did. I actually stopped and checked the boat, but it was fine. Yeah, so we're gonna go check out an island, and we'll show you what we found on the island. Look how beautiful the lake is, but the weather is gonna change, and I'm gonna show you that as well. Just a beautiful, beautiful area. Very blessed to be living in BC and get to experience this so close to my house. So yeah, on that note, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'm gonna show you here what we find on the island right about now. All right, everybody, so we're on the lake now. I don't know if you can see that. It says, in loving memory, unseen and unheard, but always near. So loved, so missed, and so very dear. Kind of cool. I wonder how old this thing is. Check it out. Kind of cool. I don't know if there was a house here at one time or what. Oh, there's another one there. We're on an island on Sugar Lake right now. I have no clue. Obviously there's stoves of some sort and chimneys, but I don't know for what. There's a fire pit here. I think there's only one other boat on this lake other than us. Oh, geez. Look how calm and beautiful it is. Yeah, there's a boat out there. Lots of little islands here. It's kind of cool here. So as you've seen, we just came down the upper Shuswap River, and yeah, it was fun. It's so hot right now, it's crazy. It's like 30 something degrees. I am burnt, and I had to cover up, otherwise there'd be nothing left of me. I got 50 SPF, and it doesn't seem to be working too good. I don't know if somebody spread ashes there or what, but yeah, I'm going to continue on. Pretty much going to be the end of our jet boating here. We're gonna head back. As you can see, that's coming. If this wasn't coming, I'd be spending the night, but it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so yeah. What do you think, Jeff?
This is awesome.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Found something.
Is it money?
No.
Okay, everybody, that's going to conclude today's video on the Upper Shuswap River off the Sugar Lake.
Sugar Lake.
Yep. So how was it, guys?
It was really good.
Awesome.
Was it fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Are we going to do it again?
Oh yeah. Definitely
Yeah.
want to go back.
Cool. How'd your boat run?
Awesome.
Cool. I
Boats.
should show the people your new jet foot holder.
Sure.
Okay. So yeah, so we'll go show you that. I got bit. All right, so here's Jeff's foot holder, and he's the owner of Trinity Products. Makes these feet, and the feet has wings on it, and he made little grooves for this to sit in, and it seems to work good when we put it on.
Fit right in.
It fit right in?
It slid right in and centered itself. It was surprisingly good for the first time.
Are they for sale yet?
They are now.
Okay. Where can they get them?
Call Trinity Products.
There you go.
trinityproducts.ca
Yep.
or trinityproducts@telus.net.
Okay. Cool. And yeah, just go to his website, and if you want to get a hold of him, just give him a call, and you can talk to him, or you can email him as well. But I'm going to conclude this video now, so thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, subscribe, hit the notifications button, and don't miss any of the future content. A lot more jet boat action coming your way. Right, guys?
Yep.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Yep. See you guys.